All right, 8.2 is on vectors in the coordinate plane. This first part should be familiar because this is what you did in geometry. So, component form of a vector. I started talking about this in 8.1, wrote it like this. It's written like an ordered pair, but these are pointed brackets, okay? This is where xy is the tip of the vector in standard position, okay? So if the tail is on the origin, this point would be at the tip. And then that's how you would write the vector in component form. X and y also happen to be the rectangular components of your vector. So your initial point is x1, y1. Your terminal point is x2, y2. To find the vector in component form, if you're given the initial and terminal points, you subtract. You have to subtract the second point, the terminal point, minus the initial point. This is not like slope or anything else where you can go one way or the other way. You have to do the terminal point minus the initial point. So find vector AB, where A is -2, -7, and B is 6, 1. I have to take my terminal point minus my initial point. So I have to do 6 minus a -2, and I have to do 1 minus a -7. So 6 minus a -2 is 8, and 1 minus a -7 is 8. So there's my vector in component form. Find vector BA with A is 0, 8, and B is -9, -3. So I have to do point A minus point B. So I have to do 0 minus a -9, and I have to do 8 minus a -3. So I end up with a +9 here, and I end up with a +11 here.